See this bill? None of this was required. This is what happens when you follow generic maintenance instead of how the car actually works. Most owners spend $5,000 to $8,000 on things that add zero value, and miss the few that actually protect the battery. Subscribe if you want clear Tesla insights that help you avoid costly mistakes. Start with the simplest one most people get wrong. Stop overpaying for basic consumable. Stop paying Tesla service prices for parts that are not unique to your car. Wiper blades and washer fluid are standard consumables. They do not interact with software, battery systems, or calibration layers. Here is what most owners miss. Tesla's own maintenance guidance shows only a few required items, not branded consumables or frequent replacements. That means performance comes from fit and material, not the logo. Buy quality aftermarket blades that match the correct size. Use standard washer fluid. Install them yourself in minutes. You get the same visibility and function without paying for service markup, keeping basic maintenance simple and controlled. Change cabin air filter based on environment, not time. Change your cabin air filter based on where you drive, not a fixed schedule. A 2-year interval only works in clean conditions. Most owners do not drive in those conditions. Here is why. Dust, pollution, and smoke load the filter at different rates. As the filter clogs, airflow drops. The heating and cooling system has to work harder to push air through a restricted path. Check the filter yourself. If it looks gray or blocked, replace it. If it is still clean, leave it. Buy a quality replacement and install it through the glove box. It takes a few minutes. Airflow stays consistent, system strain stays low, and the cabin environment remains stable without relying on fixed timelines. Rotate tires on behavior, not just mileage. Rotate your tires based on how they wear, not just a fixed mileage number. A standard interval is a starting point, not a rule that fits every driver. Here is why. Tesla vehicles carry more weight and deliver instant torque. That changes how each tire wears. Front tires can wear faster on rear-wheel drive. Rear tires take more load under acceleration, especially with aggressive driving. Look at the tread, not just the odometer. If one end is wearing faster, rotate earlier. Do not wait for the scheduled number if the pattern already shows imbalance. When rotating, ensure the lug nuts are tightened to the correct specification and reset the tire pressure monitoring system. Balanced wear improves grip, maintains efficiency, and extends the usable life of the entire set, instead of replacing tires unevenly. Check alignment before the car tells you. Check your wheel alignment regularly. Do not wait for a warning or obvious pull. Here is why. Alignment shifts slowly from potholes, curbs, and normal road conditions. Small changes in toe or camber are not always visible at first, but they change how the tire contacts the road. That leads to uneven wear, usually on the inner edges. Pay attention to early signs. If the steering wheel is not perfectly centered or the car drifts slightly on a straight road, the alignment is already off. Get a 4-wheel alignment done once a year or after any hard impact. Use a shock that follows Tesla specifications. Proper alignment keeps tire wear even, improves straight line stability, and maintains consistent handling without unnecessary strain on suspension components. Ignore scheduled air conditioning service unless performance drops. Skip routine air conditioning service if the system is working normally. Do not follow fixed intervals for a sealed system. Here is why. The air conditioning loop is closed. Refrigerant does not degrade or get consumed. It either stays inside or leaks. If cooling is consistent, the system is operating as intended. Tesla itself lists many services as condition-based rather than scheduled. Watch for changes instead. Weak airflow, warmer vents, or unusual noise indicate a problem. Inspect the front condenser through the lower grille for debris damage. Service only when performance changes. This avoids unnecessary work and keeps the system operating without interference. Subscribe for clear Tesla insights that help you avoid expensive mistakes. Replace brake fluid on time, not usage. Replace your brake fluid on time. Do not base it on how often you use the brakes. Here is why. Brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air over time. This lowers its boiling point and allows internal corrosion to form inside the braking system. Regenerative braking does not stop this process. The fluid still ages even if the brakes are used less. Follow a time-based interval, usually every 2 years. Check the fluid condition if you want confirmation. Dark color or high moisture content means it is already degraded. Use the correct specification, either DOT3 or DOT4, as listed for your vehicle. Do not mix them. Fresh fluid maintains stable pressure, protects internal components, and keeps braking response consistent when you actually need it. Monitor coolant condition, not just schedule. Check your coolant condition, not just the calendar. A fixed interval does not reflect what is happening inside the system. Here is why. Tesla uses coolant to control battery and drive unit temperature. The fluid contains corrosion inhibitors that protect internal components. These additives break down with heat cycles and time. When that protection weakens, thermal control becomes less stable. Act based on condition, not guesswork. Replace degraded coolant using the correct specification. Clean fluid supports stable temperature control, protects internal surfaces, and keeps the system operating within its designed thermal range. Inspect battery cooling system for early change. Check your battery cooling system regularly. Do not wait for a warning message to appear. Here is why. The system depends on stable coolant flow to control battery temperature. Even a small leak or drop in level reduces that stability. The change is gradual, so it often goes unnoticed at first. Look at the coolant reservoir. If the level is dropping or sitting near the minimum line, something is not sealed properly. Check for any pink or orange stains under the car after it has been parked overnight. Act early if you see changes. A minor leak can be fixed quickly before it affects the rest of the system. Stable cooling supports consistent battery performance and prevents small issues from turning into larger system problems. Control how you charge your Tesla. Treat charging as part of maintenance, not just a daily routine. Here is why. Lithium-ion batteries experience more stress at very high and very low charge levels. Staying near full charge increases internal voltage pressure. Running too low adds strain during recovery. Both conditions speed up internal wear inside the battery. Set your daily limit around 80% for regular use. Use 100% only when you actually need the extra range. In cold weather, let the car precondition before fast charging so the battery reaches a safe temperature. Limit frequent fast charging when possible. High-speed charging generates more heat, and repeated exposure adds unnecessary load on the system. Stable charging habits keep the battery operating in a balanced range, support consistent range behavior, and protect long-term battery performance. Track battery health beyond the display. Track your battery health properly. Do not rely on the range number shown on the screen. Here is why. The displayed range is an estimate based on recent driving and efficiency. It does not show the actual condition of the battery. Small changes in driving style or temperature can shift that number without reflecting real degradation. Pay attention to trends, not single readings. Notice if your typical range at the same charge level is slowly decreasing over time. That pattern tells you more than any one display value. Use simple tracking methods or reliable tools if you want deeper insight. Focus on consistency in how you measure it. Clear tracking helps you understand how your battery is aging, spot unusual changes early, and make better decisions about charging and usage. The bottom line, focus on what actually affects your Tesla. Ignore the rest. Here is the shift. Tesla ownership is not about doing more maintenance. It is about understanding which systems truly matter and acting with intention. Most unnecessary costs come from following habits designed for traditional cars, not from real Tesla needs. Prioritize the battery, temperature control, and tire condition. These directly influence performance, efficiency, and long-term value. Everything else should be evaluated based on actual condition, not routine schedules. Pay attention to changes. If something behaves differently, investigate it. If everything is stable, there is no reason to interfere. This approach keeps ownership simple, predictable, and efficient without adding unnecessary work or cost. If you want clear, practical Tesla guidance without the noise, subscribe and keep learning the right way.